Hello, and welcome to Meeting One University. In this lesson, we will be talking about access modes in Click&Meet Pro-Producer and how you can use them in your Audio One teleconference. Let's get started. Access modes are your way to manage how participants enter your teleconference. To change your access settings, click the lock icon in the left-hand tray. When all access modes are set to off, the room is open for immediate access and the lock icon appears unlocked in green. Lock room. When turned on, the room is locked and any attempts to dial in are blocked. No other access modes will be shown. Click Apply to set the access mode. The lock icon will appear as locked in orange. Use access codes. This allows you to choose between individual access codes or room access code for entry. One or both options must be enabled to set this mode. Individual codes require participants to enter individual access codes established via the directory or online account management portal. Room access code allows you to create a 4 to 6 digit access code for participants to enter the conference. Note that individual and room access codes can be used together. Click Apply to set the access mode. The lock icon will appear as locked in orange with the letters IAC, RAC, or AC depending on the options you have selected. Screened access. Participants calling in will be placed on hold in the waiting lounge until the host moves them into the host corner or main conference room. Click Apply to set the access mode. The lock icon will display as locked in white with a magnifying glass. Delay access. Participants calling in will be placed on hold in the waiting lounge until a specified time has passed. Enter your wait time in seconds. The maximum time is 500 seconds. Click Apply to set the access mode. The lock icon will display as locked in white with a clock. To return the room to immediate access, select the lock icon and turn off all access modes and click Apply. The lock icon will show as unlocked in green. Thank you for watching. For more resources and tutorials, please visit our website at meetingone.com.